Alright guys, we got a vintage Sansui Stereo Receiver Model 551 here from 1974. We're going to open it up today and see what's inside, see if it's worth scrapping, if it's worth keeping. Obviously if they don't work and it's in bad shape, you might want to scrap it, but I wouldn't scrap these old beasts here. Oh no, look at that. All kinds of stuff in there, transformers, capacitors in there. Looks like some aluminum or stainless steel fins right there. It's a tuner dial. Oh yeah. Sweet ass old receiver here. Vintage from 1974, guys. Scored this up out of the trash here. Got a couple more I'm going to show there from the garage sales, and then we'll be done with the old vintage receivers. I got 3 of them, so. Yep, this is the inside of that beast. Connectors there for your shit back here. Fuse. Speakers. Audio hookups there. That's pretty much the inside of this vintage 1974 Sansui receiver. Oh yeah. I gotta clean it up, put it in my case.